Origami folding, the art of paper transformation. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: origami folding. This traditional Japanese art form is not just about paper folding. It's a journey into culture, creativity, and patience. So, let's unfold the beauty of origami together. Origami, a compound of two Japanese words, ori, folding, and kami, paper, is the art of paper folding. It's a creative method of transforming a flat sheet of paper into a finished sculpture through folding and sculpting techniques. The beauty of origami lies in its simplicity and the fact that no cutting or gluing is involved, just folding. Tracing back to the 17th century, origami has evolved from simple paper folding to a sophisticated art form. Initially used in religious and ceremonial contexts, it later became a popular cultural activity in Japan. The practice of folding paper was also seen in other cultures, but the term origami is now universally recognized. Origami has some basic folds like the valley fold, mountain fold, petal fold, and squash fold. These foundational techniques are the building blocks of numerous models. We'll explore these folds and show how they combine to create intricate designs. Some popular origami models include the crane, which symbolizes peace and longevity, and the lotus, reflecting beauty and complexity. We'll demonstrate how to create these models, offering step-by-step instructions for beginners. Origami is not just an art. It's a way to enhance skills like hand-eye coordination, spatial awareness, and patience. It's also therapeutic and helps in reducing stress. Plus, it's a fun, creative activity that people of all ages can enjoy. We hope you enjoyed learning about the beautiful art of origami folding. It's more than just folding paper. It's about transforming a simple sheet into something extraordinary. Keep practicing, and don't forget to share your creations with us. Until next time, happy folding!